guys, my name is Kelly and I'm a full-time reseller. I sell primarily on sites like Poshmark and Thredup. My Instagram and Poshmark name are both rebel_rose_co. So today I'm going to be doing a what sold in April video. Quick disclaimer, I'm having issues with my tripod. I bought like one of the most popular ones on Amazon that had like the most reviews, and every time I put my phone in it now, it tilts back. So I have like a bunch of books, so I'm trying to tilt it forward, but I can only do that at the bottom. I can't do that at the top. I don't know if that makes sense. I like went on Amazon to buy another one, but I feel like the next one's just gonna end up having the same problem because I bought like the most popular one on Amazon. So anyway, if I'm at a weird angle, if you see my double chin, that's why. So I had a really good month in April. I had multiple sales over $100, and they're going to be sprinkled throughout. So if you want to know about those sales, please watch all the way through. This was also the month of accepting offers. I sold a lot of, I had a lot of smaller sales. So I'm going to share just my favorite sales. I had a lot more that I'm like sharing and stuff, and these are also not my most profitable. Like if I share a $20 sale, it's not that, oh, I didn't make any other sales over $20. It's just that for whatever reason, I wanted to share this one with you. So, okay. You like what sold videos, if you could like this video, leave a comment, say your favorite sale of the month, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. So let's get started. I have my computer here. So if I'm looking down, that's why. I know tripod issues and I'm looking down. Okay. The first item was the brand Nicholas. It was a white embossed crop long sleeve top. I thrifted this in a Thrift With Me video. I think I paid $6 for it. I'm going to link it up above. I sold it for $78. I was so happy. I have another item from this brand. It's new with tags and 100% silk floral top, and it's been sitting for like 2 years. So I was so happy with this. Where it did have some pilling, and it had like a really cool, not embroidery, just like an embossed print, and it was long sleeve. It was really cute, so I sold it for $75. Poshmark fee was $15. That's, do you guys like ever look at the Poshmark fee and it's like, that's a lot of money. So I made $62.40, and then minus the $6 or whatever dollars I spent on it. Super happy with that sale. It sold pretty quick too. Again, on all the sales, I might not be saying my cost of goods if I don't know them off the top of my head. Okay, the next one I was super happy with too. It was 2 pairs of Lululemon floral cropped yoga pants. The style name was All You Do. There was a green pair and a pink pair. This was, okay, this is to look at every pair of leggings. So I was at the thrift store flipping through leggings. These felt exactly like LuLaRoe. I skipped past them. And then I was like, oh my gosh, these are actually a cute print for LuLaRoe, because I'm not really like a big fan of it. And I went back because they feel exactly the same as LuLaRoe, that like buttery soft feel. And then I saw the Lululemon as I was going back. Since I was on the other side, I saw the symbol on the back of the pants. So I paid $1 for each of these. And I sold them for $85 together. Poshmark fee was $17. My earnings were $68 minus $2. That's great. Next was a new with tags J. Jill embroidered beaded black maxi dress. I paid $2 for this. I sold it for $30. I sold this in one of my previous haul videos. If I can find which video, I'll link it up above. Yeah, if you guys like reseller content, if you subscribe to my channel, I've been putting out a lot of videos. It would mean so much to me. I also just hit 550 subscribers. So that means so much to me. It might not seem like a lot, but I'm having fun doing this most of the time. Okay. Next item was the new with tags genuine leather zip cropped vest. It was super cropped, like just cover your boobs kind of cropped. I paid $5 for it. I got it because it was leather and it was new with tags. It sold for $28, so I'm totally fine with that. This next one, it was not a high dollar profit sale, but it was so cute, so I want to mention it. It was a black sweatshirt, and it had Your Loss embroidered in like different colors on the back, and I just thought it was so cute. I only sold it for $15. Okay, we got a new with tags soft surroundings tie-dye tank top. It was super cute. It was pink, tie-dye, super soft, new with tags. I sold it for $18. I paid $5. That's okay, but I thought I'd mention it because sometimes soft surroundings doesn't sell for a huge amount. I sold a new with tag Also, these are not in any order. It's not like starting at the beginning of the month to the end of the month. It's all just kind of a mishmash. It was the newest tags, Maeve, a Miss, Eyelet, Autumn Dress. I only sold it for $35. It was sitting for a very long time. Maeve doesn't always have the best resale value for me, but it was a really pretty dress. And so I was happy with that sale. Okay, this next one is a J. Godfrey 100% silk one shoulder mini dress. It was this red silk one shoulder dress. It was from Thredup. I purchased it around Black Friday, I think, for $8. Sold it for $38, so super happy with that. I know I say this in every video, but I'm going to have a video on Thredup coming out one of these days. My top sales on Thredup, because I've made a decent amount of money. What brands sell for over $100 on Thredup. Buying inventory on Thredup. Anyway, that dress sold really fast, and I was a little surprised because I have this really pretty top. I'll put a picture up here in case anyone wants it, of this blue shirt or sweater from J. Godfrey. It has these really cool embellished shoulders. It has rhinestones, ribbon, beading, all kinds of stuff, and it has had no attention. Next was a 7 for All Mankind pair of jeans. They're called the skinny jeans. I sold them for $25. They retailed for $128. I think I got these for like $2. Okay, I'm going to do a couple smaller sales and then we'll get to my first over $100 sale. Next was the ASOS floral sequin blue swing dress. This dress is really pretty. I got it for super cheap. I only sold it for $18. I was kind of hoping for a little more. I hauled it in a previous haul video. I think, I don't know, sometimes I film like a bunch of haul videos in one day and then I put them up over the course of like 2 months as I list the stuff. So if I say it's been in a video and then you see it in the future, that's why. Next was the brand Coldwater Creek. Never sold this before, I don't think, but it was 100% leather, red zip-up jacket, and I got this for free. I sold it for $24. So happy with that. Okay, the first over $100 sale. I get so excited with these because I haven't had like a huge amount of over $100 sales. Most of the things that I sell are like lower end. So this was an Isabelle Marant Etoile, I don't know how to say it, wool Italian knit sweater. It was so pretty, but also I was surprised someone paid this much money for it because even though it's really nice, it was a very basic looking sweater. I sold it for $125. It was 100% wool cable knit sweater made in Italy. I paid $5 for this. So happy. So Poshmark took $25. So my earnings were $100 minus $5. I almost said I made $195. I fucking wish. I made $95 on this. So super happy with that. This was my first time ever finding this brand. Okay. Next is the brand Simply, Sympli. It was a chiffon adjustable kimono cardigan. It retailed for over $200. I sold it for $60, and I got this item for free. So I've mentioned this in every single one of my what sold videos. I saw an estate sale advertised and they said that everything was free on the last day. This was probably like a year ago. So I went and they were like, whatever people don't take is going straight into a dumpster. Like they were already throwing stuff away. I think someone had just passed away and they wanted to just get rid of stuff, like at least donate it. But I grabbed as much clothes as I could. I wish I had known about Hard Goods because I could tell there was other resellers there and people were grabbing like china and like figurines and stuff that I think might have been worth something, but I don't know anything about anything besides clothes. So anyway, I got a lot of stuff there and I've been selling it consistently. It was a lot of vintage. Yeah, so this was there. My cost of goods was $0. I sold it for $60. Super happy with that. So I've been selling a lot. In my 3 for $30 sale, just bundle any 3 items with that in the title and you only have to pay $30. You can get as many items as you want, or if you just want one item, you can pay $10 if you want to. So they got 2 items from that sale, and then a couple other items that had been sitting for a long time. So I was super happy with that. It was a Lululemon Power Y blue floral tank top. And then the 2 items from the 3 for $30 sale was a pair of Hollister jeans and an American Eagle tie-dye tank top, and then an Intimately Free People tattered up dress and a new with tags, Made by Johnny tie-dye maxi skirt, not Johnny Was, Made by Johnny, And I sold them all for $75. Super happy with that. Everything had been sitting. Next was a new brand to me. It was $82 retail price. It was the brand Stoneware. They were the Rockin' Pant yoga pants, and they had pockets. Paid $2 for it because a new yoga pant brand, and I figured it would sell at least for $20. So it sold for $28. Happy with that. A pair of men's Carhartt Army Green shorts. I got these in a ThreadUp denim DIY rescue box. I have 2 YouTube videos. You guys should definitely go and watch them if you're considering buying a rescue box from ThreadUp. The first box was amazing. Probably like quadrupled my money. The second box, I didn't make any money. So I think most boxes are probably like a mix in between, but this is for my last box, and this profit just went back towards paying for the box because it was all garbage. Next was a pair of Sundance linen blend pinstripe pants. Sundance tends to sell around $20 to $30 for me. I sold it for $28. Cost of goods was low. I also sold a dress by them. Let me find it. A Sundance black midi asymmetrical hemline dress. This dress sat for a really long time with no interest, but it sold for $36. Cost of goods was like $5 maybe, so super happy with that. This was a really cute dress. I had wished it was in my size. Next was a new with tags kimchi blue floral strapless dress. It retailed for $49, and I sold it for $25, so half off of retail price. That's pretty good, I think. Paid like $1 for it. Next, over $100 sale was a new tags $400 Parker embellished tulle switch skirt. Style name was Switch. I paid $10 for this. Yes, and I sold it for $130. It sat for so long, but it was worth holding out on. So Poshmark took 26. My earnings were 104. I spent 10 on it. Super happy with that. This dress was really pretty. It was very heavy, very big. Next was an okay sale. The brand is Helmet Lang. It's one of those brands that retails for like between like $200 and like $1,200 depending on the item. Resale is not always that great. It was a new with tags Helmet Lang 100% leather top, retailed for $595. It sat and sat and sat. But I think another reason why this was hard to sell was because the size is P. Like, what does that mean? Petite? I think that might mean small. I don't know. I put the P in the size thing. I think if I'd figured out, I think that just means like petite, small. I don't know. I think that might have been why it didn't sell for a whole lot, but I did make my money back and I made some profit, so that's fine. Keen Hauser slipper, not house slipper, the style name is Hauser. Paid $1 for these, sold them for $30. Lululemon black cropped ruched yoga pants. They're like low rise, so they sat for a very long time, even though they're Lululemon. I only paid a couple bucks, sold them for $25. This next item, Johnny Was white cropped fringe white jeans. These also sat for forever, but I got these for free. So I sold them for $30 and I'm happy with that. This Johnny Was that does really well is like the bright floral embroidered stuff. This was just a white pair of jeans, but they were like fringe at the bottom. They were cute, but I only sold them for $30, but I had $0 into them. Next was a Prairie Underground organic cotton cap sleeve top. This was my first time ever finding this brand. I did do a thrift haul with this in it. I think it might have been my last thrift haul. Sold it for $23. It sold right away. It did have a little bit of wear, but that is totally fine. Next was a pair of Free People Dorado snakeskin leather boots. These retailed for $363. I don't have the best luck selling Free People. These shoes did have a little bit of wear. I sold them for $50. I paid $10. That's fine. It's not even boot season really, so I'm happy that those sold. Okay, this next one. Bad buy. Bad buy. This is in my very first YouTube video. I hauled this item. It's either my first or second or third at the very beginning. So this is a new with tags retro fet Aran yellow star sequin dress. One of the prettiest dresses I've ever seen in my entire life. I'll try and insert an up close picture too so you guys can see. I did pay a lot for this. I paid like $90. Some dresses from this brand were selling for like $700. I don't know. I wanted this dress to sell for whatever reason and I paid $90 for it on Poshmark. it was either 90 or 80, something like that. Too much. I only sold it for 100, so I like broke even. I thought it was gonna be like, this dress is gonna bring attention to my closet and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, bad choice. This brand does sell well, but don't pay $90 for anything unless you're gonna make like $500. So yeah, this is not just like my best sales, it's also things I fucked up on. Okay, new tags, Wild Fox Wanderer Eyelet Wool Blend Sweater. I purchased this on Poshmark in a 5 for $25 sale. I kept one of the items, but I got the rest of the items for reselling. I sold it for $27. This was a bundle. It was all stuff that had been sitting for so long too. It was Coat Urban Outfitters tie-dye mini dress. I was surprised this sat because tie-dye is super in. A New with Tags Urban Outfitters and Motel Siri jumpsuit romper. One item for my 3 for $30 sale. It was a tie-dye NASA Buzz Aldrin crop top, and then a pair of Via Spiga red suede heeled booties. I sold everything for $90. I didn't have too much into this. A bunch more of my 3 for $30 sales. Okay, a sundry. I always say sundry. I think it's sundry. I don't know. Sundry striped bodycon midi dress. Sold it for $36. Super happy with that. I just thrifted a pair of sweatpants by them. I don't think they're gonna do as good. Next was a New with Tags blue tie-dye maxi dress. This also I got for free. I think it was just like a Wish dress or something. It just had like the little size tag and no other information, and then I think the New with Tag, or the tag part, was like not even in English, but it was a nice quality dress. It wasn't bad quality. Sold for $24. I got for $0. Next was a MoMA Leathers black leather jacket. This I sold for $45. It had been sitting for forever. Next was an item I wish had sold for more. It was a 100% silk Monique Leshman embellished tunic top. I sold it for $22. It was really nice. It was embellished silk. I'm surprised it didn't sell for more. J-Gel doesn't sell super well for me, but this was a J-Gel. I just noticed in the title I put the word linen twice. So it's a J-Gel linen blend plus size open cardigan. It was size 4X and it sold for $32. Happy with that. That's funny that I put the word twice in there. Cinq Accept. The style name was Dara. It was a bustier embroidered floral dress. It retailed for $395. I paid $9 for this. On the Real, I had used their coupon code and stuff, and this was super on sale. So I only paid $9 for it. I don't think I even had to pay shipping. Honestly, I can't remember now, but even with shipping, I still made money. I was hoping to sell this for like $100. Someone sent me an offer for $50 and it didn't really have any interest. So an Eileen Fisher 100% linen hot pink cardigan sold for $36. I had just been about to pull a bunch of Eileen Fisher to send to Thredup because I can sell it for over $100 there. Even like anything Eileen Fisher sells super well over there. I have had some issues with Thredup, so I'm on pause for a little bit. We'll talk about that in the Thredup video. That's it. I did have a lot more sales, but I am not gonna go into every sale. That would be like a 10-hour long video. So if you guys watched, it really means a lot to me. Please like and comment and subscribe if you're not already. Okay, thank you. Bye.